Hi, it's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Mono. It's from a video called Lemma's Accident. Left square bracket dash a fart slash diarrhea right square bracket. It was published a year ago on March 5th, 2023. The sound length from this video is 047 to 110. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I poop in eg. Ag. I have to use my tummy muscles. I feel so much better after taking a nice big poop. The sound effect is 22 seconds long. Remember kids, make sure you use this sound effect when you need to go to the bathroom.